So this is boiling some water here, and that is set on the P setting, which they say is for boiling water. And you can see where the induction coil is underneath this thin wall pan. So it took about 30 seconds, I guess, for that to get up to that point. And we'll come back later and see when it's doing a roiling boiling. So I'll check the time stamp to see how long it was before it got to this point. But Chaz says that this is quicker than he's seen anything on this stove come to a boil. And that was from tap water to roiling boiling in less than 2 days. When you take the pan off and set it to 0, the H starts flashing. That lets you know that the cook surface that you were just using is too hot to touch. Probably a good idea, and it's not because the induction coil makes it hot. It's because you make the pan hot and that transfers it down into the cooktop. If you turn the cook element on and there's no pan, you get the flashing U, which is undetected on that burner. And then if you put the pan on it, it will give you the power level that you were set at.